Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of 𝐷𝐸𝐻 Education. Here we are back with one more important announcement about Cisco hiring program for the batch of 2024 pass out students. Alright, you would have noticed a lot of companies have already started accepting the application form, and some of them has also announced their exam dates, and tomorrow we will be having an exam of TCS NQT. So in the same lines, Cisco has also announced their hiring program, but this is specifically for 2024 pass out students, right? In this video, we are going to see how to fill the application form and what are the roles and responsibility of a technical consulting engineer. Alright, so let's not waste the time. Let's start filling the application form. But before this, I want your confirmation. You just do let me know in the comment box whether you can see my screen or not, and am I perfectly audible to everyone. Guys, please use the comment section below and please do let me know whether you can see my screen or not. See, if you have any kind of doubt other than Cisco, you can post the same in the comment section. Our team will be answering those questions, everyone. But for now, I want your confirmation whether you can see my screen and am I perfectly audible to everyone. Okay, yes, I can see that some of you have responded that my screen is perfectly visible to everyone. Alright guys, let's not waste the time. Let's start filling the application form. But before this, I have one information for you. See, once we will be done with this paid TCS NQT exam, we will be coming live with the queries and the questions which you may face in the upcoming days. Okay, because a lot of companies are going to announce their exam dates. They will be announcing their latest exam patterns, and they will be also giving you most expected questions for their exams. So we will be coming live and we will be solving your queries, because in our Telegram channels and the WhatsApp group, we are getting a lot of queries that what will be the answer of this question or how to solve those questions. So every day we will be coming live with the different sections. Let's say today we are coming live with quantitative aptitude, tomorrow we will be live with the logical reasoning, day after tomorrow we will be live with the verbal, and same with we will be coming live with the technical as well. So how would you get the access of those links? So guys, you can see that there are 4 social media handles on the screen. So I want everybody to follow us on the Instagram. Please be added in the Telegram channel, and please be active in the WhatsApp group, and follow us on the LinkedIn for the more hiring updates and the latest trends which are going on in the market. Because in the upcoming days we will be posting a lot of free informative videos for you, and you can get those videos, you can get that content on Instagram channel. So please do not forget to follow us on these social sites. I have shared the link in the description. You can get the link in the description. Please go to the description, click on the link and hit the subscribe button. Alright. Okay guys, so let's not waste the time and let's start filling the application form. Okay, so once you will click the link which is given in the description, so some of you will be getting confused how to get the link. So you can see the description, we have mentioned the link. So once you will click on that link, you will directly come to this page. So basically this is the hiring page of Cisco Technical Consulting Engineer, and that is specifically for the interns. So you can see that this year they are hiring for the Bangalore location, and they haven't announced the technology interest, because maybe they can write some artificial intelligence or machine learning, or they can write any of the technology interest, but here they haven't mentioned anything. See, the 2 names which I have taken, these are just for the reference purposes. So you can see that this is for technical consulting engineer. So whatever technology interest will be there, it will be directly related to this post only. And what is the area of interest? So yes, you can see that it is for the customer experience. This is the job ID, and there they have mentioned the job type. So once you will come to this page, you can see that they have mentioned the roles and responsibility of a technical consulting engineer. Here you can see that you will be working with top engineers, and you will be working on some technical issues, and you will be resolving those issues on the spot. See, you would have noticed when you are facing any issue in your laptop, let us consider you are facing any issue in the Dell laptop, then obviously you will be connecting over Dell support system, because there is something Dell support assist. So whatever doubts you have, you can post the same in that particular box, and there will be one consulting engineer who will connect with you, and you will resolve all your queries on the call. And they may ask you to connect on some Google Meet, on some AnyDesk application. So in the same lines, this technical consulting engineer will be doing the same. They will be connecting with their clients, they will be connecting with their partners, and they will be solving their queries. They will be troubleshooting their problems. They will be identifying or solving those problems very clearly. Now, what is the next thing? What are the eligibility criteria of this particular hiring? You can see that this requirement is only for 2024 pass out only. So here 22 and 23 students, pass out students are not eligible. And the second thing, you must be fluent in English, verbal and written. Obviously, you will be connecting with a lot of clients from a different regions. So you should be very confident in the English language because you will be connecting in this global language. And you should be very passionate about the networking, information technology, and computer science because this role requires these three technologies. Okay, and your analytical and problem solving skills should be very good because we don't know what kind of problems or queries we may face while connecting with our clients. So your problem solving skills, how to deal with the problem, how to make your client understand, this should be very strong. And apart from this, you can see some other roles and responsibility and eligibility criteria are mentioned. So guys, once you will click on the link which is mentioned in the description, you can directly come to this page where you can read all the roles and responsibility and all the eligibility criteria. So let's start filling the application form. You can see that there are two buttons. Okay, the first one is on the top and the second is at the bottom of this page. But there is one more thing they have mentioned in the disclaimer. Please note that this position is to advertise potential job opportunities. The requirement is for 2024 pass out only. This exact role may not open be today but could be open near in the future. Alright guys, as of now they haven't opened any kind of vacancies, but yes, if you have filled this application form, it's all about first come first services. So make sure that you are filling this application form on the priority, because in the upcoming days if they are announcing any kind of vacancies, then they may take the applications which have come first. Okay, alright everyone, so let's click on the apply button. So guys, you can see that I have clicked on the apply now button, and I will be directly coming to this page. So basically, if you are the existing user, then you can write your email ID and you can type your password and you can directly sign in. But you haven't registered on this portal, then you can use this new user column where you need to fill your email ID. Alright, so I'm going to use this new user section and I'm going to fill the email ID. So once you will click on the register now button, alright, this email ID is already registered. So I'm going to use a different email ID because this email ID is already existing with the Cisco career partners. Okay, so as you can see that I have used a different email ID. Alright, so once we have entered the email ID, you can see that our application process has begun. So in the very first step itself, they are asking us to upload our resume. Here you can see that we have four different options to upload a resume. You can directly upload a file which is saved in your system, and you can see you can directly share your LinkedIn profile with the Cisco talent acquisition team. You can see a lot of companies are following this pattern only. Either they can ask you to upload your updated resume, and they can ask your LinkedIn profile. See, if your LinkedIn profile is updated, you have updated all the information which you have completed in your work experience, your internship, and some other things, then you can upload your LinkedIn profile as well. If you don't have those information on your LinkedIn profile, then you can upload your resume which is saved in your system. And similarly, you can get the access from Google Drive and Dropbox. So first you have to upload your resume, then you will come to the next page. But here you can see that this is the optional option, but everybody have to fill it. I want everyone, please upload your resume so that you can get a lot of chances. So let's click on the next button because as of now I haven't uploaded any resume. Okay, so let's come to the next page. So here they will ask you to fill the basic details. So let's fill some basic details. Okay, so what is your first name? Yes, so here you have to fill your first name, last or family name. So here you have to fill your last or family name. If you have any middle name, you can fill in this section, or preferred first name. As you can see that this option is not mandatory, so I'm not going to fill it. So what will be the email address? So you can see that I have already entered my email address, and that should be same with the previous one. Okay, and primary phone number. So yes, I will be using the first primary phone number, and please provide the country code and phone number without space, plus sign and leading zeros. Okay, so we have to enter the company code. Alright, similarly you have to give your secondary phone number, because in some cases they may connect you over phone call, and if your primary number is not reachable, then they may connect you on the secondary number, so that's why they are asking. Alright, so can we connect with you SMS to you on mobile phone? Yes, we have to click on this yes button, as this is a mandatory field, and here you have to fill the address. So you can fill your address and what is the reason. So yes, we have to select the India. Yes, and what is the state? So you can select the state and your city and the postal code. Alright, so are you looking for an internship or new recent graduate level role? Yes, so you have to click on the yes button. And if you're interested in exploring opportunities at Cisco partner organization, create a profile on the talent bridge matching engine. So guys, if you are looking for the opportunities which are the sister companies or partner companies of Cisco organization, then you can click on this particular link and you can create a profile. So this particular link will give you a lot of access, because once you will be done with the registration process, you will start getting a lot of responses from the registered partner of Cisco organization, where you can go and fill the application form to get the job and all these things. So what will be the area of interest? So here you can see that they have mentioned a lot of area of interest. So the very first thing that you should select, it should be the technical support, and it should be based on your profile and your academic qualification, because they are hiring for technical consulting engineer. So your first area of interest should be technical support, and second you can select according to your experience, engineering hard work, engineer network, and some other things, technical documentation. You can select according to your area of interest. Highest degree obtained or pursuing, so yes, you can select bachelor's degree. And college and university, you can select your college and university. Okay, so as I can see that I have selected the college and university. Here you have to select the branch or your stream, and graduation date or expected graduation date. So as I have already told you that this hiring is only for 2024 pass out students. Yes, so here we have to select 2020-24, and you can mention the graduation date. So most of you are going to be graduated in the month of June or July. So similarly you can select the same. Choose the academic performance and grading system your university uses. So if your university is using grade point average, you can select that. Other pass fail, if your university is using pass fail system, you can select. If your university is using percentage, you can select the percentage as well. Most recent job title, see you know very well that this vacancy is only for 2024 pass out students. So here we have to fill none, because as of now we are in the college. Alright, so we don't have any job title and we don't have any employer in our profile. Have you ever been issued a Cisco employee ID or Cisco email address? So if you have done any kind of registration, if you have completed any certification from Cisco portal, you can select yes, because in that case you will be getting a ID or something which has been shared by the Cisco. So if you have that thing, you can select yes, otherwise you can select no. Certification option, so you can see that it's not mandatory. Fluent language, you can select the fluent language, English or your local language which you can use. Now skills and technologies, guys, you know very well they are hiring for the technical support engineer, so technical consulting engineer. So the skills and technologies which you are going to mention in particular column, it should be matching the job requirement, because if you are not mentioning the skills and technologies which are actually required for technical consulting engineers, then there are high chances that your application may be rejected. But I want everyone to fill the skills and technologies which are highly required in the technical consulting engineers, and it doesn't mean that you can fill any of these skills and technology. Okay, so skills which you have and which are actually very related to the post, you can fill those skills and technologies in this box. As you can see that this section is not mandatory, but I want everybody to fill this section, because this may lead your application for the acceptance process. how would you hear about us? So yes, you can select any of the option. How would you hear about this vacancy? And here you have to create a password. So this password is case sensitive. It should be minimum of 8 characters, including lowercase, uppercase, and a number. So you have to create a password, and you have to give the confirm password. And once you will click on this checkbox, yes, so this will ask you to select the squares by skill. All right, so let me select the by skill. This is nothing but the verification process. They just want to check whether you are a human or a robot. All right, so as I have clicked on the checkbox, and I'll click on the agree and continue button. So wait a second, my internet is a little bit slow. So as you can see that I have clicked on the agree and continue button. In the second phase, that will ask you for the self identification. So yes, here we have to mention the gender, and we have to click on the continue button. Alright guys, so you can see that once you have clicked on the continue button, they will ask you to submit the application form. So this is nothing but final submission window. So guys, this is how you can fill this application form. As of now, they haven't announced any vacancy, but yes, in future they will be announcing a lot of vacancies in Cisco careers. So if your application is already filled, that there are high possibilities that you will get a lot of responses from this particular foundation. Alright, so we have successfully completed the application form, that is Cisco Technical Consulting Engineer. Once you will click on the submit button, you will directly come to the submit portion of that particular page. Guys, so we are done with this video, and in the upcoming days we will be coming live with more job opportunities. So I want everyone to follow us on these social media handles. Links are given in the description, and this registration link also given in the description. So everybody, please click on the link and fill this form as your priority, and please do not forget to follow us on these social media handles. And I have already informed you that after paid TCS NQT exam, we will be coming live on the YouTube channels, where we will be shooting and posting a lot of free informative content for you, where we will be solving your queries. We will be coming with the live with most expected questions and answers of you. Infosys and I guess Accenture has already announced their off-campus hiring. So we will be coming live. We will be recording one more video for the Accenture application process, and we will see how you can prepare for the Accenture off-campus hiring. Okay, where we will be discussing about the exam pattern, syllabus, and how many phases will be there, and what are the inside details of the off-campus hiring. Alright guys, so please do not forget to follow us on these social media handles, and please fill the application form as soon as possible. Links are given in the description. Thank you so much everyone.